self-regulation. The nature of the relations, no external causation. The fire in the equation, the rules of creation. We wonder how reality can trigger mass inflation. Your love is the ripple effect. Your heart is the mirror reflect. You're the faded light, the chosen select. You are the being of a representation. You express the will of the greater relation. The fire